Hey guys, welcome back to another Z Pulp unboxing, and we're gonna take a look at an accessory for the XE3. So this is the XE3, super duper nice looking, but it doesn't have what do you call that thing at the bottom. Alright, so let's take a look at this one. This is an L bracket, so this will protect your XE3 as well as adding a Arcos fist mount and also adding some weight or in grip also to the XE3, which is something that you like, especially that sometimes XE3 is too small for some lenses. You need to have a better balance in your lenses, so this might be just the answer for you. This is around how much 1100, so not bad in terms of the price. Yeah, something like that, so around the $20. So let's take a look at what you get in the box. So in the box you do get Allen wrench, metal Allen wrench, and of course you do get the thing right away, and you do get like two pieces of it. Here at the bottom you have an Arcos fist mount, and you do have a metal grip at the side, and here at the left side you do get this maybe also like a portrait kind of stand grip also, so if you want to do some portrait shots, this might be something that you can consider. So putting it in the XE3, of course all metal kind of design, be careful in putting it in your XE3. So wow, right off the bat it's a bit weighty, all metal in build, so definitely feels really premium for me at the least. But of course in the grip itself it's metal in build, so keep note of that. It's not your leather to leather kind of design, and holding it now it's very stable on the hand, but it's it's a quite big grip altogether because you do have this left thing, so you might want to get this out if you know with the Allen wrench. But you have an Arcos fist mount at the bottom, so that's nice. And what's really cool here is you have the tripod mount a bit left off centered, because sometimes I cannot get the battery from the XE3. So really weighty, really cool for 1,100 pesos. So this is the L grip for the XE3. I'm gonna link it down in the comments or description below if you want to get one. Really cool looking. This is the Z Pulp unboxing. Cheers, goodbye.